Welcome to another video tutorial on how to use Fluvid. In this video, we will learn how to share a Fluvid video, the video that was recorded using the Fluvid's Chrome extension. So, how to share that Fluvid video on different social media platforms directly from Fluvid's dashboard. So, to explore this feature, let's log in into our Fluvid's dashboard. So, here we go. So here we are. Now this is the video library. You can see all the videos here. So let's take this video as an example. So let's open this. So now on the right hand side, you can see different options, different icons. So Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and all. So before sharing this, just make sure the video is public, because whenever you create a video, by default that is private. So just make sure it's public. Now this option is coming, Facebook. So let's click here. So after clicking here, this redirected me towards my Facebook's timeline. In between, it will ask for the Facebook credentials, but because my Facebook was already open, so that's why I directly landed here. And I just have to write something saying like the best free online, whatever description, and you can see this option, post. So this is how we do it. So straight away from here, we can share it. So let me just cancel this option. Okay, so similarly, we can do it on Twitter, we can do it on LinkedIn, and after this, we have option of Gmail. Now, if you want to email this video to your client or to your colleague or to anyone, you just have to click on this. So this will take me towards Gmail. So you can see after I clicked on Gmail, let me repeat again. I clicked here and this took me to, so I have the video title as the email subject and you can see the link here. So this is the email body. I can further add, just for example, so I can add content in the email body and further I can just mention the recipients. So pretty cool. So after Gmail, we have option to share it on Google Classroom. Now this is an amazing tool for instructors, for teachers. Google Classroom is a free web-based platform that integrates your G Suite for Education account with all your G Suite services, including Google Docs, Gmail, and Google Calendar. So it saves time and paper and it makes easy to create classes, distribute assignments, and communicate and stay organized. So it's an amazing tool for instructors. So the best part, it's also connected over here. We can straight away share the video. Now the last option, I can straight away copy the link. So if I click here, I can copy the link from here and wherever I want to share it, I'll just copy it and paste the URL. And there is one more way. We can do it from here and we can also do it from here. There's an option, copy shareable link. So again, the link has been copied. So whatever, you can do it from here it's the same thing. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Fluvid, and if you have any questions, just write to us on hello@fluvid.com. Thank you.